Alright, I'm here on location in Whittier at this customer's house, and I have this Tesla Model 3, backed it in, pretty straightforward damage on the rear bumper, probably a real minor fill repair. I think I'm going to just blend the paint to the edges of the bumper. I'm going to clear the entire thing. Doing a little bit of a back tape on this line here. Since the damage is below this line, I can keep the primer down here and be able to back tape here. And so this job will be about 2.5 hours. Alright, and here we're just going to get you a few close-ups of the damage so you could see that's the gash that we're going to fill. So here's what it looks like before we sand, and we're going to move on to the 180. Here we go. Alright, I 180'd it, and most of it came out. As you can see, this area right here, oops, sorry, right there, which is what I thought, that is too deep, and so we're just going to have to get a little bit of a fill repair on that area, and then we'll 180 it again a little bit more, 320 it, and then we should be good to scuff and prime. Alright, here we are, close up of the fill repair. We're going to 180 this, and then we're going to 320 it, scuff, and then prime. Alright, we're all primed, and it's all smoothed out, feathered out, and ready to paint and then clear. So this feels absolutely perfect. So you always want to be feeling for any texture or anything that doesn't feel like glass, like any lips that you can feel the edge or anything like that. So this feels absolutely perfect. So I know it's going to look great when it's all done. And so I'm going to get going, painting and clearing. All right, it's all tacked off, and here we go with the paint. All right, and now we're on to the clear coat. All right, that was the first coat all done. I let it sit for about a minute, and now I'm going to put on the second coat. All right, well, that turned out great. I'll get you a close-up. All right, we're all done here. So I'm just gonna get paid real quick here, and then I'll be off to my second appointment. Um, it's about 11:30 right now, and so should get to my other appointment about 12:30. Take a little break for lunch, and be good to go. Have a good day. All right, this one turned out great, as you can see from the after pictures. If you guys would like to follow along more precisely with each step in the process that I take for reconditioning a bumper, you can go to greenrecontraining.com. It's a new website I just finished, greenrecontraining.com, and there you'll find the ebook, How to Mobile Paint 101, and it takes you through each step I take in reconditioning a bumper. You can download and purchase it there at greenrecontraining.com. I hope to see you there, guys, and thanks again for watching. See you next time.